Hello everyone, my name is Debora Ariyani. I'm a lecturer from STT Migas Balikpapan. The topic on this presentation is biotechnology. Today I will present my research paper about identification of Nipah fruit extract with circle variant using methanol solution. Okay. Introduction. The first part is introduction. Based on data from the energy mineral research, renewable energy and energy TV conservation, the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Research in CNN Indonesia, the growth in energy consumption in Indonesia raised 7% per year, and the figure is about the growth in energy consumption in the world mainly 2.6% per year. Therefore, alternative energy is needed to support the existing fuels. One of the materials that can be renewable and found in nature is derived from plant. One of the plants that has potential as biodiesel fuel is Nypa plants or Nypa Fruticans Wurmb. Apart from being processed as a fruit ingredient, Nypa plants are a sort of oil that can be used as renewable energy. One of the alternative use of the palm plant is a raw material of making bioethanol. Okay. In this research, apart from Nypa, subpart of the Nypa that is very potential to be utilized is the fruit. Extraction of Nypa fruit oil can be done by extraction. Okay. Material and method. In the first stage, the collect of raw material is carried out where the raw material is Nypa fruit. The location for collecting raw material is located in Handel, Muara Jawa District, Kutai Kartanegara Regency, East Kalimantan. After the raw material are collected, the next process is the separation of Nypa, shell and fruit. The purpose of separation is to take a sample named the Nypa fruit. Okay, the method in this research is extraction and distillation. The next process to reduce the particle size. The particle is in the crusher so that the sample becomes smooth. Okay. The sample screening using sieve with size of 70 mesh in order of obtain a finer powder. Okay. In this extraction process, the variant mainly 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 circle. The sample is inserted into filter paper that has been shaped like a tub with a soft cotton support under it. Okay. In this method, the extraction will use methanol the solvent. Okay. After the extraction process is complete, the sample is then distilled to spare the solvent from the oil product from the plant fruit. As with the extraction process, the temperature during the distillation process is 665 up to 70 Celsius. Okay, after the extraction and distillation process are complete, the palm fruit oil obtained from the distillation result is the identification for the characteristic. In the identification, the characteristic of the Nypa fruit testing is percentage, free fatty acid, pH, ion number, and density test was carried out. Okay, results and discussion. This is results of percentage of 5 sample variant. Okay, this is results of free fatty acids of 5 sample. The test in this result, yeah, free fatty acids can be used to measure and determine the amount of free fatty acids in material or sample. The greater the acids number, it means that the free fatty acid content in the sample is higher. The amount of free fatty acids contained in the sample can be a result of the hydrolysis process or due to poor processing. The results are as follows, like this figure. Okay, ion number like this figure, graphic, yeah, like this graphic. Okay, the next result is density. Feeding the density using a pygnometer filled with the entry sample after the distillation process. Okay, next result is pH. pH testing is carried out by entering the paper into the oil that has been spirited with a solvent that masks the pH color. The oil result from the plant fruit has a pH of 6 indices that the oil is acids. Okay, this is the result from 5 variant circle. Okay, the conclusion in this result, in this research, percent yield in the sample 35 gram in 9 circle is 21.31%. pH 6%, FF% free fatty acids is 0.6% in circle 5 and 6. Density is 0.91 gram per milli in circle 8. Ion number is like this result. Well, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much.